What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we will talk about the AirPods Pro. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into today's video, shall we? The AirPods Gen 2, which have been launched, since the launch I have been using that and it have been wonderful to listening music and all that thing. But there were many things that lack in that earphones which have been fixed on the AirPods Pro, and in 2020 it is no different. I bought the AirPods Pro some time ago and it is just amazing. It is one of the best pairs of earphone I have ever bought, and trust me, right now Apple won't release new AirPods at least in 2020, maybe in 2021. So you are all set, you can go and buy these. That's why I also bought, because last time when I bought the Generation 1, Apple released the Generation 2 a month later. So AirPods Pro have been out for a while, and I think you already know the specification and all that thing of the AirPods Pro. And now I will talk about the main users thing and what a basic user would love and hate about the AirPods Pro. So I will also make a long-term review on this. So if you do want that review, be sure to subscribe to this channel and I'll drop that video as soon as possible. So first of all, let's talk about the connection. So what you have to do is just open your Bluetooth and just open the lid, and it will greet you with this thing. Then what you have to do is press the back home button for some time, for like 5 seconds, I think. Yeah, for 5 seconds, and it will blink, and wait until it blink the white light. As you can see here, it just brings the white light and it is now connected, and the animations is just awesome this time. Earlier it was not as good as it is this time. It will show you all noise control and everything that you need to know the basics of AirPods before using it. So when it will be connected, just take out one of the AirPods. Like here you can see it is not connected. It is connected but it is not actively connected, just to save battery life. I took out one AirPod and now here you can see it is connected, and it is showing the transparency off and noise cancellation thing. Noise cancellation thing will work when you will take out the both AirPods, but it can work. I have a trick. If you want that, drop a like and drop a comment. I'll make a video on that too. One of the interesting thing I've noticed over time is that AirPods Pro aren't as comfortable as the originals over longer period of time. I've kept experimenting with the included silicone tape sizes, and while the fit is perfect and I have no issues for the first half an hour or so, after that I start to be aware of the AirPods Pro in my ear in a way that didn't seem to happen with the originals or with other in-ear bud I've tried. I will be trying some third-party ear tape options as well to see if they improve the comfort, but the included ear tips are not as great as it looks like from photos and all. If you aren't comparing the original AirPods, the AirPods Pro sound more neutral than many of their competitors, offering a mostly accurate description of music and podcast with a very little artificial hype and unexpected boost in the frequencies spectrum. Plus, this time in the design, the hinge is changed for something. Like the hinge is now much more bigger and much more, like the clicks and all is much more sturdy than earlier. In short, AirPods Pro sound fun, exciting or engaging. They sound kind of neutral but boring, has advantages like portraying all genres of music respectfully and providing a very pleasing sound for podcast listening, which in my case represent 90% of my AirPod usage. If your priority is a fun and engaging sonic profile for music listening, you would much better served the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless or Sony WF-VN PPA-BJ-SIDF. Yeah, that's a big name. I'll drop the link to buy that in the description. The headline features of the AirPods Pro are noise cancellation and transparency mode, both of which I have very happy. As you might expect, the noise cancellation is not as effective over ear pairs like my Sennheiser and Bose, but that's to be expected. Once again, the effect is good enough but it is not as good as the over ear earphones, but of course it is much better than the original AirPods. Now let's talk about the value and recommendations. Okay, so we have been established that they are good, no surprise. They are spending a few months with them convinced me that Apple has finally delivered a pair of wireless earbuds that offer the ultimate combination of capacity, convenience and versatility. But those of us who want journal pair of earbuds with the convenience of portability of true wireless, that advantage of passive plus active noise cancellation and seamless reliability connections will be well served by AirPods Pro. In fact, I'd go so far as to say that anyone who is considering AirPods shouldn't bother with the original unless you absolutely can't understand and are unwillingly to try to get them used like I was using AirPods Gen 2 and those are just awesome. But as you all know, I run a tech channel and I have just bought this because of you guys, so it deserves a like and a subscribe. So that's it for today's video. If you do end up liking this video, be sure to hit a big old thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for latest tech info. I have been doing this thing for quite some time now and you guys are loving it, so be sure to drop a subscribe. I will drop a long-term review on this after some time. So that's it for today's video. Be sure to subscribe. Peace out and I'll meet you all in the very next episode.